select server screen. Here you can select the server that you want to log into. Here you come into the main mission screen. Over here you can see your profile picture as well as frame. You can change this to anything you want, and you also have the option to like change your chat bubble over. You can also change your name to something else. Coming down to the chat system, here you can see the mini chat UI. Here the messages that will be coming to you will be appearing inside this. You can click on the chat icon, which will open up the chat window. In the server channel, you can chat with all the people who are in your server. That here there's a small cooldown of like 10 seconds so that the server does not get overloaded with messages. You can also chat in the other channels like local as well as in the guild channel if you have joined into a guild. And as you can see, all those messages appear here. And coming over to the guild system, here the members tab will show you all the members over here that have joined. You can also sort by the role contribution or level. Donations tab over here, and you can donate, which will increase the XP and also give you the guild currency for you to upgrade things in the guild or buy items. Coming over here, you can see all the guild applications that have come to your guild. You can accept them or reject them, and you can also manage members. All the members will be displayed here. You can click on them, then you can perform actions such as kicking them, promoting or demoting them. Here to guild settings, you can change the guild description, minimum level requirement, and also you can auto accept applications that meet the criteria that is set by you. There's going to be a lot more guild systems such as guild wars, guild bosses, so I'll probably have to change the guild UI a lot more, maybe add a separate screen for it. A friend system where you can see friends and requests that other people have sent you, as well as blocked people. Also you can search and add a friend if you know their character name. I still have to build out the online friend recommender, which will help you to just quickly search up online people and quickly add them as friends. Then we come over here to the inventory where we have 3 categories currently. We have runes, equipment and materials. Basically, runes and equipments help boost your characters or deities power and give them more battle abilities. As you can see, it contributes some main stat and some substats which you can reroll. This actually gives you a lot of customizability and you can create insane builds with these. So I feel that the amount of customizability, the amount of builds that you can make, mess around, build out very strong crit teams or dodge team, a higher rarity of rune, more number of substats here, so you can reroll and optimize whichever stat you want so that you get the best boost for your characters or deity. Into equipment, you can reroll stats and get the best amount of return for your characters. And you can also level up these runes and equipments. You can level it up to level 100, which is going to give you insane amount of stats. And I'm going to show you later the stat breakdown in the deities in the deity detail scene. You can also filter by the set over here. So if you equip like 2 or 4 of a set, you get some set effects that boost your character's abilities or stats. You can also sort by power, etc. or level. So there's also option to increase the size of your inventory. And all these locked frames and avatars, you'll be able to unlock them through achievements. Coming over to summon, see we have 3 types of summon right now. You can summon deities, runes or equipment. So I really want your feedback on the summon animation as well as the cards emerging animation. So any of your feedback would be great for me. I can take that up and improve on that. Once you summon them, you can also click on something that you want to see. So this is the normal summon that we did just now. There's also the advanced summon. So this gives us a better rarity card. We got an SSR, and there's also featured and friendship. So when you add friends, you can trade hearts, and using those hearts you can summon. And probably there's going to be a daily limit of hearts, something like 1000 hearts per day that you can send and receive. So you can actually do a good amount of summons. Also in the featured, the rates are very good actually. UR is actually 5%. That is a lot. So these are all the items that you will get in game which you can use to summon. But if you're out of those items, you'll have to use the gems. For 10x summon, you get like a 10% discount. Again, you can get like runes here by summoning. You know, if you go to featured, you will get like a better rarity of runes. You just go pull, oh my god, put 2 SSRs in one pull. And equipment also you can summon. And here again, the UR rate is at about 2%. Coming over to deities, so heroes tab is all your owned deities. All of the deities that you own come inside here. And the archives is all of the deities that exist in the game based on the hero rarity, like uncommon 1 star. And as you go down, common has like 0 stars, ultra rare has like 5 stars. So this star also can be increased by getting duplicates of the hero and then ascending the hero. For example, here we have a rare card which has 4 stars because its send is 7 star actually. It has been ascended 7 times. As you go ascending it, it will need more number of dupes. Character details scene. This is going to show you the comprehensive stats. The base stats come from the level, and there are about 30 stats here that the gameplay will be based on. This is from the advance. Advance is also a system where every 20 levels or something you have to advance once to unlock the next 20 levels. So these are the stats contributed by advance, and these are the stats that come from the ascent. We have done it 7 times, and each time it gives 1% for all these important stats like crit rate and crit damage. damage. I'll probably increase this a little more so that you get a substantial amount from the Ascension itself. For runes, we have some basic stats here because all the runes equipped are at like level 1. The equipment stat, I have equipped some level 100 equipment, so it has substantially increased, and this is the total amount of stat, and this is the cap for that stat. Once you reach a cap, you will probably want to invest in another stat. That's going to make it a little more balanced and not give you the whole freedom to make insane builds either. Again, it's very customizable. You can build your deities or cards however you want, and that's going to bring in so much replayability and fun into the gameplay, into the battles. Yeah, we just got a set bonus for Blade rune. For a 2-piece of this set, we get plus 15% crit damage. If I put another one, I will get the 4-piece set effect as well, which is counter attack for 30% of damage received. That is going to be mental in a gameplay. It's not just equipping the highest rarity of runes, you also have to equip the best, right? You can match the rune, you can also match the equipment. So you have a lot of permutations here that you can try out and get the best build possible for a character or deity. The skills are fixed per deity. You'd want to add some rune or equipment that will enhance the effect of the skills that the card or deity has to bring out its maximum potential and deal maximum damage or have the maximum survivability in the game. So you're going to be thinking about the best build, the best team combination, and it's going to be so much fun. You can also get runes and equipment from battles as well. Probably get like shards or something like that you can combine and make the rune. You can also mess a lot with the team combination so that you get the meta team that can like kill all other teams and things. So I feel that's where this is heading. As you keep ascending, all these skill effects will unlock. You can also filter by the rarity. You can also filter by the element. There's obviously going to be some element advantages and disadvantages again. Each character has like unique skills, so it's going to be a lot of fun once the battle system is built out. If I can show that to you guys, it's going to be great. And I would love your feedback on anything that you've seen today, anything that you felt I can improve upon, or anything that bothered you that I can change. Please do let me know, guys. I would love some feedback from you guys so that I can iterate upon this and build something better. I really want to bring this out for people to play and have fun with, because I've always had fun playing games like these. I might be replacing some of the art, not gonna the ones which are bad, but I might retain some as well. Please do subscribe if you want to follow along the development of this game. I would really love to see you guys to join the Discord servers. If you want to be updated, want to keep track of how things are going, you want to give some feedback. 1 or 2 months down the line, I might release an alpha which you guys can also test. Please subscribe, press on the notification bell, and also join the Discord server that I put down in the description. I think all updates will be going over there, and I would really love to have you guys see and play my game, and also give me a lot of feedback, please. I do really need it. There's a lot of things to do. I just wanted to bring that update, and I'll probably be posting bi-weekly devlogs and other fun stuff that's happening in my life. I feel the Discord server is really important if you guys want to stay connected, stay updated about this project that I'm working on. Love to have you guys around, and please subscribe so that I can reach a lot more number of people. Stay tuned, subscribe, join the Discord server. Signing out.